This is Jordan proof. Have you got it really just for Jordan, Shannon, Kirsty? This is what Kirsty's got. Look at this. Look at that.
It's a bit messy right now.
She could feed 10,000 kids in it with this cupboard.
It's a bit messy though.
So why is the main reason your mum's got this with a lock on it and everything?
It's for Jordan.
Because Jordan
And Paul.
Are naughty boys. Guys, look at Paul's little computer display here. So what you got, Paul? PC, 2 monitors and a PlayStation hooked up to it. Look at that, he's well sorted, isn't he? He don't care about lockdown. He's locked in with all this.
The purple grape.
Right, guys. So I thought I'd take the drone to work, wind everybody up and do a bit of drone footage. You'll be able to see those new houses that's being built by the garage, but obviously it's all come to an end at the moment until all this, what's going on around the world, sorted out. And after that, I messaged my mate Andy and I said, Andy, let's see what life is as an MOT tester. Guys, Andy's living the dream. He's only got a bar, TV, and everything else, disco lights, the lot in his place. He is the boy. So he's put this video together, guys. Have a look at this as well. After watching his video, you'll all want to be an MOT tester. I know I do.
Great. No.
See how we're coping. I've got to be honest, mate, it's not playing easy. Go on, mate. Go on. Isolation as an MOT tester. Living with teenagers. Grandma's here, look. She's been out for a social jog. Now she's walking like she shit herself.
The purple grape.
We're just trying to debate on what the hell's going on for food. You know, obviously we need dinner.
Mixed berry. Purple. Yippee. Purple grape. Yippee. Shabby on the little cherries and blueberry and the purple grape with the right yogurt, strawberry and the little cherry yogurt and the blueberry and the purple grape yogurt. Yep. Strawberry and little cherry yogurt, blueberry and purple grape yogurt. Strawberry, little cherry yogurt, and blueberry and purple grape yogurt. Purple grape yogurt. With the right yogurt. Yippee. Bam.